Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to play the War Thunder theme on piano. First, let's get set up. Find a comfortable spot at your instrument, ensuring your hands are relaxed and gently curved. Locate middle C, usually the central C key. This is your anchor point. Take a moment to simply get a feel for the keys and the layout. We're going to make this process straightforward and enjoyable, so let's begin with the very first steps. Now, let's focus on the right hand for the main melody. The iconic War Thunder theme starts with a clear, recognizable phrase. You'll typically begin with the notes C, G, A, and then back to G. Take your time and play these notes slowly, one by one, ensuring a smooth connection between each. Counting out the beats will help you establish a steady rhythm. Remember, accuracy over speed is key at this stage. Next, we'll introduce the left hand to provide a simple, yet powerful, accompaniment. The left hand will play basic chords that support the melody. You'll primarily use C major, G major, and a minor chords. Practice playing these chords in a steady, rhythmic fashion. The goal is to create a solid foundation for your right hand's melody. Don't worry about perfection, just focus on a consistent, even sound. Finally, let's bring both hands together. Start by playing the melody and chords very slowly, focusing on one short phrase at a time. As your coordination improves, gradually increase the tempo. Listen intently to ensure both hands are perfectly synchronized. Remember, consistent daily practice, even for just 15 to 20 minutes, will significantly improve your playing. Enjoy the process of learning this fantastic theme.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.